Sweet, so this is going to be your Pec Deck machine. We actually want to start with our bum very far forward on the pad so that we can lean back into the back pad and our shoulder blades can retract down and back. When you do this, you'll already feel a stretch in your pec, so that's a good sign that you're in the right position. We're going to adjust the seat height so that when Joel flies, the force lies right in the middle of his chest. Before he was too high and it was landing below. When you fly apart, try and attain a stretch in your pecs, get a little pause, and then hug in front. Also get a little pause here. We can get a tiny little elbow bend down the back, but we want to be more straight when we come in the front. Yeah, we don't want to crab it because then we're missing out on all this range and contraction of the pec. And then another one is just a lot of people, when it's super tough, their shoulders will ride up with everything else. Yeah, that means we've lost control of our shoulders and our scapula. We want to, at the start, roll them back and down and use your feet to push yourself into the back pad.